How the hell do you use Facet Flow and how did we get here from a sketch? You want to go to the design studio. In the design studio, you'll see visualize a sketch, start a jewelry builder flow and technical drawings. This is how you kind of ideate and render things. The starter jewelry builder is actually a super cool new tool we just came out with. If you want to get like 10 rings and combine them into like one idea, or say a client has like a diamond they like, a band they like, and something that they like but they don't like, say, the setting, or they don't like the metal color. You could combine all of those images in this tool and describe what you like and don't like about it and build something. We'll talk about that later. And technical drawing is what we'll do last. So we just click visualize the sketch, the top prompt, and then I would keep that first sentence and then describe what your piece of jewelry is that you're trying to visualize into a realistic photo photography. So I said this is an earring sketch design, and it has platinum chain where there are loops and platinum wire where the lines are straight, and it has Tahitian black pearls and white pearls. And the large circle with lots of little circles is a diamond pave bead. That was my prompt. And you can see the prompt automatically optimizes. This is kind of what Facet Flow does better than any other AI generative jewelry tool. We do this all day, every day, and we're trying to take what people are describing and turn it into things that the model can actually work with to give you better results. That's why it's kind of more accurate. And to upload those photos, you're gonna wanna click the little paperclip tool, and then it'll give you this, and you're gonna click from library, or you could just take a photo of something. And the cool thing is you could also take a photo of your hand, and then you could say, you know, that could be image 1 could be your design, and image 2 could be your hand, and say, put the sketch of image 1, turn it into a realistic piece of jewelry, and then place it on my hand. Be careful with that because it may not work as well the first time. It's best to create the sketch first, but I wanted to just tell you about that because it's cool. So then you go into your own photo library. If you can't upload an image, maybe the resolution's too high, just take a screenshot and crop it. That's what I did here. And then when you've selected it, it should pop up there. You could add more images. It's best if you just do it one step at a time, or 2 images max. If you have a photo reference, like say you had a pair of earrings or a ring, you could talk about image 1 and say, make image 1 visualize the sketch into a photorealistic creation or a real pair of earrings. And then you'll describe what it is. And then if you had something that was very similar, you could upload it and say, it should look similar to, or it should be in the same shape as, and then refer to things as image 1 and image 2. But this, it's really smart. So try just with that first. And from prompt 1, I got this, okay? I just accurately described it. Less is more if you can. You don't want to go in too much detail because it can confuse it. So sometimes I just ask it to generate this sketch into an image, and then I give a brief description. You know, this is an earring with, you know, platinum and Tahitian pearls. I kept it kind of minimal. If you go into too much detail, sometimes it can make AI think that it wants to create you a pair of earrings, and it'll deviate from your sketch. I always stress in my prompts, make sure it is exactly to the prompt, the sketch. I took a photo that I love and I asked to take the image exactly and use image 2 background for the earrings. And once I had the image I liked, I went to technical drawing flow, and I just prompted first time this technical drawing. Like, this is amazing because it's pretty it's like exactly accurate, and I could print this off and, you know, do notations and give this to a wax carver jeweler or work on it myself. Or I could use this and I could go into annotate, and I could change the color of each part. I could change the shape. I could actually use this. A black and white drawing is super powerful for AI because it gets rid of the noise, and you could change the chain type, you could change the post, you could change where the pave stops. You can do a lot more from this than you can from the rendering.